Alright guys, welcome back to Family and Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. I'm not sure if you're aware or not, but we are doing the summer shredding online transformation, and I'm also going to be doing the on-site physique challenge. Whether I win or not, probably pretty slim, but guess what? I'm going to challenge myself to go as hard as I can and give it all that I got. And this is essentially going to be a week-by-week progress update that I'm going to give you. I'm going to basically do a side-by-side of this video with last week's video, and I'm going to give you a week-by-week progress and how my physique's changing over the course of these few weeks. I'm doing a pretty aggressive cut, doing 2 pounds per week, and I basically want to demonstrate that anybody can do this thing. You just got to put in the effort and be willing to. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the non-flex version of this. So here's my front side, a little bit of side. Now, I don't know if you guys can tell, but stomach definitely looks a little bit flatter. I also think my muscles are a little bit flatter, but that's just something you gotta deal with when it comes to going into a cut. You just don't have as much nutrients and fuel and liquids in your body to make yourself look really pumped. So you will see a major muscle size decrease while going into a cut. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flex this thing out a little bit and try to make it look as good as I potentially can. I'm going to go ahead and do my pose attempt at what I think is probably going to be one of my best poses. Now, I'm not very good at posing. It's something I'm definitely going to have to practice at doing. Okay, well, then you go up there and ask your mama, please. Now, please. Now. Yes, she is. Alright, so here's the attempt now. So I definitely got a lot of work on my posing and how to be fluid with the movement, but that's something I'm definitely going to practice on. Like I said, it's probably going to be one of the things that I mainly need to practice on. The whole physique part, I can only do the best that I can do, and kind of with my current physique and where it's at, because this thing's a long time journey, and muscle doesn't come overnight, fat loss doesn't come overnight, so it's something that you can only put in so much effort unless you want to go not natty and try to do steroids, and then you can push things to the next level. But that's not my approach, and that's not the way I want to go about doing things. So hopefully, guys, you see some type of difference. I definitely see a difference. On camera, it's a lot of times it's hard to be able to dictate if there is a change or not, but I definitely see it personally. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you're hitting that cellular button, because guess what? We are doing more of a vlog style of this, and like going about what I'm eating every day, and basically taking y'all through how I feel throughout this cut and just really documenting it in a psychological manner, versus this is going to be more of the physique part of the videos. We're also doing the poverty meal prep series, which is going to give y'all the meals that we are currently going to be utilizing to be able to lose weight and accomplish our fat loss goals. So if y'all stuck around to the end, I highly, highly appreciate it. It means the world to us, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.